Hello, I'm Bhavna. I learned and making this video during my industrial training in July 2020 pure CSS. Today we will talk about what is network security, why do we need security inside this network. For example, we created a network inside an organization and or under any company to give us rights in the network. This network can only do for this people who are not secure for this network. They can leak out your organization data. Effort to create a secure the platform so users or program cannot perform action that they not allowed to do. What is network security? Network security is a protection of networking components, connection and contents. Network security is a protection of the access to files and directories in the computer network against hacking, misuse and unauthorized change to the system. An example of network security in an antivirus system. Network security is a continuous process built around a security policy. First step, secure. Second, monitor. Third, test. Fourth, improve. Secure, implement a solution to prevent unauthorized access to the protection. Implement authentication. In computing, authentication is the process of verify of the identity of a person of device. A common example is entering a username and password when you log in a website. Biometric may also be used for authentication. Encryption is the process of converting or or encryption form. What is a common used to protect sensitive information so that only authentication parties can view it. Encryption is also used to secure data sent to your wireless network. Firewalls is a network is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to you from a private network. You can implement a firewall in either hardware and software from or a combination of both. Firewall prevent unauthorized network user from access private network connected to the network, especially vulnerability patches. But this is the process of getting patching usually from the vendors of the affected areas in a timely ways. This is sometimes an automatic process done with patch management tools. Monitor detection violation to the security policy involves system auditing and real-time intrusion detection. Validate the security and implement validated fragments of the security policy through system auditing and network scanning. Test. Use information from the monitor and test the passage to make improvement to the security implements. Improve. Address the security policy as security holes and you're identified.